Welcome to another video from RXB TUBE channel. If this is your first time visiting our channel, please subscribe, like and comment. Let's go. Today we want to watch some science videos and talk about it. This is a demonstration of the resonance phenomenon, using instruments called tuning forks. In physics, resonance is a phenomenon that occurs when a vibrating system or external force causes another system to oscillate with greater amplitude at a specific preferential frequency. When the first tuning fork is activated, the vibration created spreads through the air affecting the second, and because they have a similar structural frequency, whose periodicity is directly related to the natural frequency of the system, the second tuning fork responds by producing greater amplitudes of the vibration. As a result, vibrations reach the sphere tied to a pendulum, moving it according to the amplitude produced by the system. If you want to discover the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Nikola Tesla. The tuning fork's vibrations interact with the surrounding air to create sound. As the tines move back and forth at tremendous speeds, the vibrations press air molecules together, forming compressions, and force them apart, forming rarefactions. Together. Stated simply, Newton's third law of motion says that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. You can demonstrate this using Newton's cradle. This apparatus consists of steel balls suspended on a frame. When the ball on one end is pulled back and then let go, it swings into the other balls. The ball on the opposite end then swings up with an equal force to the first ball. A monkey implanted with Neuralink brain-computer interface chips played a bootleg version of the video game Pong, using only its mind. The video is proof of company CEO Elon Musk's claim.
We removed the joystick altogether. Now that he's up to speed, let's increase the difficulty and see how well Pager can play with the Neuralink.
Its skin is waterproof. Neural synapses visualized in time-lapse. Neuroplasticity is the ability of the brain to change continuously throughout an individual's life. Example, brain activity associated with a given function can be transferred to a different location, the proper. The black solution is an iodine starch complex, and the clear solution contains thiosulfate ions. When mixed, the thiosulfate reduces the iodine to iodide, which destroys the complex, and the color disappears. Ink injected into a yolk sac artery of a 72-hour-old chick embryo lets you see its beating heart and pulsing veins. Cohesive forces are responsible for surface tension, a phenomenon that results in the tendency of a liquid surface to resist rupture when placed under tension or stress. Water molecules at the surface, at the water-air interface, will form hydrogen bond. Nitrogen rockets. Due to the liquid nitrogen boiling, it will produce a lot of gas. Gaseous nitrogen has a lot more energy than liquid nitrogen, resulting in a rapid expansion and pressurizing of the gas. While the bottle is right side up, the gas. Subscribe RXB TUBE channel.
And the smallest domino is about 5 millimeters high and 1 millimeter thick. And I will carefully place it. And there are 13 dominoes. And the largest domino, it weighs about 100 pounds and is more than a meter tall. Ready? Boom.
If you enjoy it, like it and subscribe RXB Tube channel to see more videos. Here are suggested 2 videos you can watch if you wish. By the way, follow us on Instagram, rxb.tube. Good luck.